So in this tutorial we're going to look at the linked half double crochet. Here I've just got a row of 15 normal half double crochets. I've worked in quite chunky yarn so you can see where I'm working the stitches. Now to start each row of linked half double crochet, that's the US term, so it would be linked half treble if you're working in UK terms, you chain 3. And for all your linked stitches, what you do, instead of yarning over like you would for a normal either a half double or double, you create that yarn over by inserting your hook into the previous stitch and pulling up a loop, and that's what links them. So for the starting chain, you insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. That's out of your chain 3 starting chain. Then you pull up a loop. Then you're going to insert it into the same stitch as at the base of the chain. So yeah, that's your first stitch in your row. Then you yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 3 just like you would for a normal half double crochet. So that's your first stitch. So you can see you've got these horizontal bars. So for the linked half double crochet, we're going to start the yarn over. Instead of that, we're going to insert it into this second loop down. So you insert the hook there, pull up a loop. So that's effectively the same as your normal yarning over. Then you're going to insert it into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you've got 3, yarn over, pull through 3 just like a normal half double. So you can see again I've got these 2 horizontal bars, insert it into the second one down and pull up a loop. That's to create my yarn over, and then complete it like a normal half double crochet. So I'll just create a few more just so you can see the process. I'll go to the end of the row. So insert into that second loop, it does take a little bit of getting used to. If you're a fast crocheter, this will probably slow you down a little bit, but you soon get used to the inserting the hook. So that's my first row, and you can see compared to the original row you've got these kind of little link bars across the middle. It looks slightly different on the other side. You've got a kind of single line here. So I'm going to work another row. I'll just show you the chain section again. So you chain 3 just like you would, well I actually chain 2 as a turning chain for half double, but for this you would chain 3. Then you're going to insert into the second chain just to get you started. So I'll go and do a few more rows just so you can see what the swatch looks like. So there we have a little swatch of the linked half double crochet. You can see how every alternate row on this side you've got these lines, and then if you turn it over they're offset on every alternate row, so we'll get another one just here.